Hey, sweet Stampin' friends. I'm Debra Harrison with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs, and today I wanted to share with you a sneak peek of the December Stamp Club. I am actually using the Christmas season bundle. This is such a beautiful stamp set and with coordinating dies. I have actually been using the sentiment labels that are in this die set on numerous project kits already, and so this is just such an amazing set. And when you put it together with the stamps and cut them out, they make a beautiful projects. So the project kit has the pre-cut supplies to make 5 gift card holders. Now, if you don't need gift card holders, you can easily adapt these to just cards. They're a lot of fun. I'm going to kind of show you a little bit more here in a second. I wanted to tell you that what you need to be able to complete these projects though. Like I said, you'll want to have that Christmas season bundle. Now you can I actually use for my sentiments on my cards, I use the Christmas to Remember. I think this has a really nice collection of beautiful sentiments that match real beautifully with the Christmas season bundle. But if you don't have this and you have another set of holiday stamps, then feel free to go on ahead and use that. It's very adaptable. So you'll want to own some ink pads. I recommend you have the Evening Evergreen. Now with this, you're going to be doing what we call stamping off. And on some of the cards, you'll be using like the full ink, and then you'll stamp again to get a lighter version. That way you don't have to have multiple multiple ink pads. Also too, the Early Espresso, again, you'll be doing some stamping off with that, and then the Rail Red. And also too, I recommend a couple of adhesives. Your choice of tape or liquid. I just prefer the multi-purpose liquid glue and some dimensionals. Now, the cost of the project kit is actually, you can get it shipped for $5 when you place an order of $25 or more in my online store with the host code that is provided in the link. Or you can get it without an order for $25 shipped. Now, if you're here locally, then obviously there wouldn't be a postage cost to you. So in order to register, just click on the link and either like select which option you want. Now, if you want to add on any of the adhesives as just like extra, I am actually offering those at catalog cost. Now, they don't count towards the minimum order, but you can get them with a little bit of a discount that way, and I'll ship them with your project kit. And then what I'll do is I'll just invoice for you for those separate items. And so I wanted to share with you what these projects actually look like, because they're really cool when you open them up and you see what's inside. So like I said, they're all gift card holders. And when you, like this one, you open it up, it's a little fun fold card, and then it has a little pocket here to stick the gift card. This one, let me go for this one first. This one, you just slide out the card. It's what we call a slider card. And just move that out of the way. This one, you lift up, and then you got a pocket to put your gift card in long ways, and then you still have room to kind of add a little message to your recipient. I love this one. So this one is kind of like a little purse, and you open it up and you got a little pocket for your gift card. Now, I am going to tell you something. You really do need to have the bundle, not only for your stamping and to die cut some of these really pretty like pine cones and holly berries. You also want to have it to be able to cut the handles for this particular card. It's going to be just a little bit time intensive for me to cut out 2 handles for each project kit, so I do ask that you do cut these handles on your own. Now, as far as the sentiment labels, I'll go ahead and I'll cut those for you so that you can have them ready to stamp on. And then this one right here, this is a really fun one. It's got like a little trifold. You open it up, undo the ribbon here, and then inside you just open it up. Got a little area to write a message, and then your little pocket here for your gift card. And so the registration will run through December 1st. And at that time, I will order the supplies and start prepping all the kits and get them out in the mail to you by December 9th. I will actually probably get them out earlier because I know that you want to go ahead and have these, have time to make them, and get them into the mail for your family and friends. So guys, please reach out if you have any questions at all, and I am super excited to prepare one of these project kits for you and delight you with some happy mail. Oh, wait a minute, big thing, I don't want to forget. All right, so as I said, you can get this project kit with a minimum order of $25 or more, get it shipped to you for $5. But if you increase your order up to $50, I am offering a bonus project for you. And I will send you the supplies to make this really cute gift tag box. And when you open it up, you've got little pockets here store your gift tags. Now I will give you the supplies to make 6 gift tags, 3 each of 2 different designs. I just didn't finish doing these, but you'll be able to, like I said, you'll have like the pre-cut things here to be able to make 3 tags of each of these designs. Plus, I'm going to include a full package of this really pretty, Simply Elegant trim. So that would be with the $50 order. So not only would you get that project kit, you would also get this really fun tags kit with the trim and have that all shipped for $5. Really amazing deal. Now, if you want to get it shipped for free, then if you bump your order up to $75, then I will refund your $5 postage and send you a lot of fun Happy Mail. So guys, like I said, please reach out if you have any questions. Take care. See you next time. Bye guys.